Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for joining us at golfcartgarage.com. Today on GCG TV, we're performing a quick brake cable adjustment on our club car Precedent. After lifting this cart 6 inches and installing new all-terrain tires and leaf springs, the brake cable tension needed to be adjusted for safety and braking comfort as it had gotten a bit loose and had a touch too much play in it. We used a Torx bit to remove 4 rocker panel bolts, carefully pulled back the floor mat, and used a pry tool to remove the brake cable access panel. Before the cable splits to each side of the cart, it can be adjusted here with 2 wrenches, much like performing a wheel alignment. There is a locking nut and a movable nut to tighten or loosen the tension, which you can test while performing the adjustment by depressing the brake pedal by hand. Not every install is finished when the parts are on the cart, and sometimes upgrades call for other adjustments. For instance, now that it looks like a monster truck, this cart will probably need a flamethrower or something. Maybe we'll buy it a guitar. And we'd love to help with your project too, so stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call, 1-800-401-2934 to outfit your cart today. Our customer care specialists would love to help answer your questions and place orders right over the phone. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCG TV.